Nature has rules. The desert is meant to be hot, dry, and unforgiving. But Saudi Arabia is about to break those rules entirely. Imagine standing on top of a mountain, surrounded by endless sand, while fresh snow falls directly onto your face. This isn't a glitch in the Matrix. This is Trojena, a multi-billion-dollar winter metropolis being carved into the mountains of Tabuk. Critics say it's an environmental crime. Scientists say it's an impossible gamble. But the machines are already running. Welcome back to Saudi Skyline. Today, we are uncovering the terrifying reality of how Saudi Arabia is planning to freeze the desert. How do you keep snow from melting when the sun outside is hot enough to boil water? It requires a mix of absolute madness and cutting-edge tech. Engineers are using a network of massive, subterranean cooling grids embedded deep inside the mountain rock. These grids act like a giant refrigerator, lowering the surface temperature of the slopes before the artificial snow is even sprayed. But that's only half the puzzle. To prevent the blazing sun from destroying the slopes, the entire valley is architecturally angled to block direct sunlight during the hottest hours of the day. It is an ecosystem completely controlled by code. But where does the snow come from? In a region with almost zero rainfall, millions of gallons of water must be desalinated from the Red Sea, pumped miles inland, and pushed up thousands of meters into the mountains. Giant automated snow cannons then blast this water into the freezing air, turning it into powder. But scientists are raising alarms. The energy required to keep this resort frozen is astronomical. If the system fails for even a few hours, a multi-billion-dollar paradise will literally melt away into the sand. The stakes have never been higher. And then there is the freshwater lake, a massive artificial body of water sitting at the center of the resort, reflecting the mountain peaks. To stop the water from evaporating into the dry desert air, engineers are deploying chemical monolayers, invisible